I probably got something, but I don't think I have. Title looks good, voice looks good, music looks good, no social security number at the bottom. And it is live. Should be good. I want to put that here to the way off there. So where were we? Where were I? I think if I press play, camera follows kind of smoothly. Dude can go left and right. I can high jump, I can low jump. It doesn't feel so real because because there's no animation. So now that this is that, I kind of want to see. I want to look at. Bring this up. Go to 2D platformer. I think there's a demo for it. Kind of want to see what I have access to. Blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah. Blah. Yes, it's this one. Sure, download. It's a bunch of stuff. Wow, the window did not like getting shifted from screen to screen. Seemed good. Where is downloads? Download. Let's save. I would appreciate if folders were opened on the other screen. Downloads. Source screenshot asset. Looks user. What? Yeah, it's a whole project by itself. Where is it? Project. Go to. Dunk it in there. Actually, I should put it in downloads so that I don't save it. Actually, I will. Come on. Here. This here, and then can I open another one? I can. Import. Download somewhere. Here. Platformer. So what do we have here? Hey, there's even a pause menu. Actually, there's a mobile interface. It's nice. Wow, music. Oh no. Oh, you can shoot. Huh. He's angry. I'm not. I mean, the audio shouldn't play on stream, but it's there. All right. So you've got a walk animation. You've got very not pleasant coin animation. I can jump with the up arrow and shoot with space and Z and control. Oh, it does the short jump and long jump. What? Jumping on enemy doesn't kill them. Hide. Those are my animations. Okay. Actually, yeah, I was mostly here to see if I can. Well, then if that's the case, then I don't need. Yeah, I don't need any of this. Maybe the platforms would be nice. But yeah, my question was, I think you should have here blah 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 blah. Okay. Can I look at other assets which are tag official? Pong and everything. Yeah, there's a bunch of stuff. Dynamic split screen. Okay, so my goal today was to make that ledge grab. So if I'm still actually not too sure how I'm going to do it. If you drop next to a ledge and you do some raycast, or where the player has an area 2D in front of it, and then it catches something. Well, for example, this wall is super, let's say this is super tall. Where is it? Ah, here. Let's say this is like 500, and then you touch it there. I don't want to ledge grab here, I want to ledge grab here. So I have to make sure I'm on the top. I could have some platform script which gives me the top of the platform, but that feels a bit, that's a bit weird. So, no, actually that's kind of lame. So what I could do is have a raycast, like if I touch the thing, if I'm jumping in front of that wall, it makes a raycast downward, and if it touches the top, then we're at the top, we know the distance of the top, we can snap ourselves to the side. That way we can do that with any platform looking platforms, and then we can add a tag. For example, I don't want this to be grabbable, but by default everything would be grabbable. Right, so let's trash this area ledge. Actually, let's give the player, should I do, yeah, I think I should do area 2D for detecting the front. I guess I could have one big area 2D on both sides. Area 2D with collision shape, regular rectangle, something like that. Could be thin. It's basically a raycast at this point, but it should be better than shooting a raycast every frame all the time. Like just intersecting two colliders rather than doing a line. Actually, it's more about doing a line and detecting like from start to end. If it collides something, that's a bit expensive, though I don't have to worry about expensive, but the area 2D is here. So anyway, here 32, sure. Let's move it up. Actually, I don't know what I want. I guess it should be at what, when I want, for example, I've got, okay, I don't have anything, but for example, this is my platform, like on that pink line, I want to, at what point I want to drop and that it detects and snaps as a ledge. So I think around this, around here, let's see, ledge checker, ledge detector. Wait, no, that's the collision shape. Collision shape. Can I have not the output open? Yes. I think I did not figure that out last time. It's a lot of jumping code. Except that's physics process. Well, I would want a signal actually. Area entered, body entered. But then you can have two body that enters in some weird situation. So can I have some kind of, if I go open documentation, can I get the list of currently collision, whatever, signals, enumeration, property, wait, it would be listed up there. Space override, yeah, there's a bunch of cool stuff for this. Actually, I did, can I save here? I did a quick thing to do gravity up with a disk. Should be like this, yeah. This point being the center of gravity, which aligns with where the player is. So if he's there, he just, like, the gravity shifts gradually here, and then it's, when he's here, it's like a flat gravity, which is fun. And I can extrapolate that to other shapes. Extrapolate, like, yeah, expand, I guess. So I guess I cannot loop through the current objects. I can have a list. I should have a list. Yeah, oh, except get overlapping bodies. That is my list. This list is modified only once during physics steps, not immediately after the object has moved. Consider using signals instead. We should have a function that, like, checks if, that does the raycast and checks if all is good, and then when the signal calls, we call this function. But otherwise, like, for example, for some reason, can I have this thing? Actually, can I have this thing? Then can I move this? No. Let's say I detect the ledge here, but that's not a ledge. So the body enters, but that's not a ledge. So we call the function, the raycast fails. Okay, then we go. Wait, what? Did mouse just died? Nice. USB, micro USB. There we go. There. So yeah, you climb up, and then for some reason you don't exit, like, you're just there, you don't exit the thing, so it doesn't trigger a body enter, and then you start dropping, so you're now in prime grabbing ledge position. So we still want to check every frame, and then we do the raycast and boom, grab ledge. So actually, that I'm here, this should be about like this. Yeah, this should be grabbing ledge, and we want to detect it. Tack, 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 tack. That seems good. Then if we climb, yeah, this is pretty much the limit at which we're not doing a ledge anymore, and you need to drop on it. Okay, that seems good. Here, here, here. Escaped. Yeah, maybe I should do it like a physics process jumps. But no. That's movement, that's movement. But that can be in a normal process, I think. Though I'm doing this for ergonomy, which is not a good reason to switch the switch method. Except, let's actually search. Wait, no. We'll have a function that checks the check ledge or something. Honk. Am I on the right go? Yes. Okay, keyboard is still very far away. Check ledge. I guess we'll pass the body. Might as well. And then if I go here and I do body entered, if it did when one of the pieces whereas okay, it just gives you one more material. And actually the shape 2D might be a good idea to have. Actually, yeah. If we, instead of doing a raycast here, like you detected the shape, instead of doing a additional raycast, you could just, we're just doing that with static shapes. Yeah, for now. It wouldn't like grab onto a rigid body. So once you, I'm not going main again. What? No, not again. Once you touch it, we might have access to the AABB bound and then see the top of, nah, that feels weird. Nah, it should be okay. We see the top of the bounds. If the top of the bounds aligns is low enough compared to our player, then boom, we did it. The index of the shape 2D. Nah, I think I prefer the raycast. Yeah, I'll go with the raycast. Player connect. Check ledge body. Oh, right. Except, is it a dot name? I thought it would implicitly do that thing. Does it have a dot name? I guess I'm not typing it, so it can't tell. Plus, we're all doing dynamic stuff, so might as well check with an error. Oh yeah, wrong scene. Does this have a mask or something? Because wait, because I don't want it to detect the player, but then again I can filter out. I can't do like reverse, like ignore, but everything is on this. Do I want to put the player on a separate? Actually, was that it? Was that it from the start? I had issues with it being on the wrong layer last time. Well, okay, yeah, but no, it should. If the player is not on that layer anymore, it should not detect it. But it does. So let's Google real quick. Fedora React to the mask. Oh, apparently I already did that. Yeah, of course I can do a group. At my point. Okay. Would probably, right now it would probably be simpler to just ignore the player. Can I do it like, is this? If node is this. No, not. Is the current. I get you could compare the node path for both. That should work. GD script this. Self, I don't know, please at least give me something. I don't know what self. Oh, it has self. Guess I did not try this because I don't do much Python. Itself, no, self refers to the current class instance. Nice. I was just looking for someone who would have searched how to do self or something. MMM. What? Please. If body equals self, return. Yeah, that's the thing. And that doesn't work every time. I guess it's because I made the collider quite small. That does do show collision. Yeah, I made it quite small. Hi. Now, what's sa raycast lang ko to. Yeah, okay, maybe I should look at the tutorial. Just have an overview. Ah, that's not a tutorial. That one is. Blah 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 blah. Okay, might be a bit more annoying than I thought. Huh. Notes? Oh. That actually might work? I'm considering again having just a second area 2D to check if nothing is above a certain height. Anyway, let's keep reading this and open this on the side. So in the physics world, so blah blah blah, in a space, the current 2D space, then with canvas height, yeah. Right. Yeah, I think like if we do have to do our stuff in physics process, then we shouldn't check the ledge on signal. We should loop the overlapping bodies in physics process instead. Yeah. Ah, that's fair enough. Makes sense. I don't think... Yeah, I guess it could catch the area 2D itself, so... Okay, that's not what we're doing. Okay. Can we know what it returns? Intersect rate. Collider ID. Oh, actually that was on the other page. Metadata. Normal position. That's... well, wouldn't be useful right now, so... And I always wonder, like, if you do a raycast completely inside an object, does it collide? I think it's no. Okay. Can I have a like draw line or something? Might be able to just do line 2D. Actually, what is this? Canvas item node. No 2D. Completely forgot I had a mute button on control. Speaking of button, I remembered what I forgot. This, and now I always want to confirm if it actually works. I should be able to do this. Yeah, it should work. Okay. Okay, that's our line 2D. What happens if I click here, do this? Oh. And are they not stored somewhere? What are those? I mean, I can remove them, but I would have assumed... Ah, okay, they're not updated. Okay, and those are global? Yeah, it would seem. Actually, no. Here. Here? What is it with my throat dying as soon as I start the stream? It actually might be as soon as I stop eating, which is when I start streaming. So yeah. Can I open an editor? No, that's not what I want to know. Wasn't there a like open reparent to new node? No. Editable children? Kinda. Oh, that's placeholder. Is that some kind of prefab? Line 2D. What are the points? 24, 38. And if I move this, what? Now look here. 24, 20. Okay, it's local. So what am I testing? I mean, it doesn't need to be a big thing. Like it'll collide with a surface here, and then we just want to know if this or something like that, maybe a bit to the we just want to know if here that's a ledge or something. Minus? Okay, yeah, minus. Actually, yeah, minus. Not, yeah, it's kind of clunky way to do this. Whatever. Then I guess 18 is a good one. Actually, I don't know why I'm storing them in the line 2D, it doesn't matter. And actually, more importantly, I just need the source and the direction. And then I can test the the distance. Is that so? Actually, then... Now let's do it from here. I don't know. Minus 26 or something. Should do a rounder number. Oh, okay, that is rounder. Sure, okay. So, how do I get the space already? I'm starting to think maybe the raycast node was not a bad idea. I got a bit lower than I was. I sat lower on my chair, so I'm looking up all the time. Alright, so space. How'd you get the space? By accessing canvas that get that space. So basically, yeah. Gordo. Actually, if we have bodies in the overlapping bodies and then we do a raycast, then whatever it hits first, if it's in the overlapping body, then just snap to it. No need to loop through the body anyway. No need to do loop through the body and for each body do a raycast, since the highest one is the one we want anyway. Is it? Well, not the highest. The highest one, which is below the area 2D. Is that it? Feels weird. Because if it's below the area 2D, then it's below the area 2D. We can't detect it as ledge. What was my point? And why did not there? What? Why is the voice? So we're detecting it here, but that's no good. So let's climb. And oh yeah, around here or something. Around here, that's good. But like here, that's a bit low. So we want to touch it first. So, but like here is good. We just like, yeah, here is good. We just drop down a bit. So as long as it's lower than this or something. So yeah, that still works. Okay. Script. Check ledge. So what is my keyboard joints? Not on the mousepad. Ledge detector. Dot get overlapping bodies. Dot size. Dot length. Size equal. Empty, by the way. Yeah, there is. Return. So now, if that means we do have stuff in the bodies. So we want to do a raycast. Get all 2D dot space. that inter. Yeah. Oh, direct space state. I did not read. Intersect point. What is intersect point? I understand intersects shape, but point on canvas, and there is no description because intersect point. Check whether a point is inside any solid shape. Huh. The shapes the point is inside are returned as an array containing the dictionaries with the following fields. That is great. Though. The area to the intersect point versus no. Alright. This area to well, if there's nothing that pops up, I lost interest. Like, oh no, I was looking at the music and I was like, I was looking at. Wow, please go down a bit. Oh, it doesn't want to. Please. Okay, no, OBS is broke. Oh dear, OBS is beyond broke. It's not liking it. Okay, now it's better. Oh, it can't go smaller than that. Basically, I was looking at the audio mixer and I was looking at the VLC music and I was like, why is there so much noise in my mic? Okay. Anyway. Where was I? Go back here. Intersect, right? From 2. Oh, there is a 2. And we said, because I forgot again, it needs to at least be. It gets better actually if I am in main. Now. Touch it. Okay. From that point it's good. So we don't want to look any below. So yeah, touch is good. Then you go down and you need to be at least here. So at least below the eye. Well, that's what I expected, but that kind of works also. So for example here. Minus 18 or something. Down to 7. 18 minus 18, 18, 7. Vector 2. 18 minus 18. 18. Why 18? Yes, 18. For now, we'll just work on the right. But our character is probably symmetric, so we're just multiplying by minus. Actually, I kind of remember there was a nice method in this that I don't think there's on Unity, which was like sine. Yeah, I think sine. It's not rare by any means. It just site first on Godot. I think it's in GD script. Yeah, that's where all the math stuff is. What is those? What are those? Print. Oh, that's interesting. Rand, sin, string to var, orient. Actually very interesting. Oh, interesting. Rap Y is fun. Well, rap in general. But what I'm looking for is sign. Sign. It returns the. That's. Well, yes, that's what I was looking for. I don't know why I thought I was looking for a sign though. That's the opposite I want. I want to give a bool and have it go -1 or 1. Basically, in a simple if else, but yeah. So intersect ray that returns call stuff. Result or something. And then I forgot what was in that result. Intersect the ray shape. Apologies. Intersect ray. What is this? No, that's an array. Dictionary. No, yeah, dictionary as in an object, a map. Yeah, string map. I mean, collider ID, blah 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 blah. I guess yeah, it returns for the first collision. Okay. They're like area 2D dot inters dot then that would be no intersection shape is for everything. Is there a function does this shape is overlapped? Doesn't seem to be, except no, you can't. I mean, collision shape probably has that method, but we want a collection of collision shapes. Oh wait, I'm dumb. Okay. If ledge detector that overlaps overlaps body with result dot empty, sure, and any or whatever has, well no, let's just go dot empty. Let's come back to here because I don't have any memory. Also, you do get the shape in. Wait, no, that's the intersect ray, which is good too. So basically, well, yeah, we weren't using the signal anyway. Colliding object, collider. Okay. Collider. What was the ID? No, the ID. Probably the R ID. So we've got a result at collider, which is our thing. Well, I guess we can just print at this point. Checking plus result there. That collider, that name at. There's probably a nice format print format function position dot y. Of course, yes. Let's disconnect signal. Yeah. What? Oh. Here. But we're not calling the method anyway. Don't know in what order to do that. I guess here, why not? Check edge. I don't know what I expect. But we can do some debugging. Oh, right. That's where I would want the mask to function. Play. Where is our play next line and everything? Debugging? Debugger. We are in debugging. Yes, indeed. Ah, there it is. Continue. Have I put my breakpoint? I mean, probably never enters. Yeah, it does never enter because we haven't hit this. So I mean, we're doing the thing. What? Oh yeah. Is it because I'm dumb? I think it's because I'm dumb. And then I don't need that breakpoint. It works. Please. Game is here. Again, I don't know what I expected. Be nice to be able to move stuff. What if I go in remote? And then I don't know, do this. It's probably this one. Then inspector and oh, hey, it works. I would like to be able to scroll by way more than this, and I think that I don't know. At this point, we might as well try to debug. Plop. Yeah, next line. Step over. What's in that result? Dictionary size 0. That's interesting. We are in physics thing. Am I supposed to intersect through like past objects? Exclude nothing? Sure. Collide with body is true. Collide with area is false. That makes sense. Actually, that's useful. Might have forgotten something. That is what I want to do, yes. That's odd. Yes. Sure. Use global coordinates, not local mode. Yes, that's what we did. Is position not at the right place? That could be actually. What? That was Discord. That was the Toast server, I think. I hope. Let's come back here. Yeah, let's just continue. Here, can I? No, I cannot. Actually, speaking of, let me just ship that over here. Yep. Let's make an absurdly long raycast, see if it's something. Let's actually see some results. That is what I wanted to see. And our results are 7. That's interesting. Oh, right, yeah. Body being... yeah, our aesthetic body, basically. Drowsiness from eating is starting to come to me. Oh, actually I might go fetch a drink. The packaging changed. Does that? Yeah, let's get picked up by the mic, but it's gonna be soon over. And this time I won't have to hide the face because it has a straw and it's not weird. Perfect. Not quite perfect. It doesn't taste very good. What is this? Ah. Anyway. So this connects at a lot. But okay, let's do something. Let's do some very some embarrassingly simple +1 +2, because we can't inspect in the function anyway, so might as well. I should have named them from and to, but hit anything. Let's do this. And yeah, that is good. That makes sense. We only hit that for 70, which is probably... Did I see something? No, not the camera. Why does it never keep this transform? Oh? What did it hit then? What? And that's the position of the collision. Why 470? I mean, it lines up, but it has to line up because the X doesn't change, but why? We're doing it from 2, there's no length. Invalid RID. Does this collider not match what we have? But no, because we are drawing the collider. Actually, let me close that. Yes, closed. normal -1 on. Well, then that should be this. But it's not. Wait, no, normal -1 is up. I keep forgetting. Does it hit the camera? That's not impossible. So if we here, then it should be around here. Should be around 324. Let's plug this here. Yeah. No, okay. I have no idea. Why is it doing this? Why it wouldn't be the max length of the rail? That's pathetic. No, plus that 500 doesn't mean anything since it's in local. But yeah. Am I moving the camera again? No, okay. What's at 470? What do you see? What was this? What is this? That's so strange. I don't want to look too much into this, but also I'm very, very confused. How about an add a position 2D just to make sure? Yeah, it's pretty much there. I am confused. But it says it hits this, which is position 203. Yeah, which is our big thing here. But why at here? Is it not at the same place? What's the what? Yeah, what is 0? 0 should be this. It is not. Oh, that is very interesting. What is 0? What am I? What is this? Okay, that. What? Wait. Root can have a position? That is so wrong. What? Since when? Can I have stuff at the root? No, okay. Okay then. Then plug this. No, both of them. Something like that. Player. Something like that. You can stop existing. Right. Now he's at 5-2 and 5-2 is Okay, now we've got something. Doesn't explain why it didn't touch E earlier, but now we've got something. There we go. Now my question was, if I stop applying gravity, and that's the simplest way to stop applying gravity. Also the dumbest way, but doesn't matter. Then I go into the inspector. I actually might not like that I'm modifying the position. Oh, but what I can do is... Oh, actually, yes, better. What I can do is move the block. Here, there, that here. That's actually some very pleasant everyday BGM. It's a bit repetitive at some point, but I'm far from getting annoyed by it. Though I don't think my opinion matters that much, since I'm showing it to people. Yeah, some very bad juice. It tastes like berry skin, watered berry skin. Like it's kind of like fruits, but also only the bad, only everything you don't like about the fruits. It's kind of sugared, but like only the not tasty sugar. Like there's sugary, there's sweet, and there's fruity. It's very on the sweet side, but like not enough. Unpleasant. I'm disappointed. My day is not ruined yet, but you know. So let's move that static body. It's just embarrassing. Can I scroll with the wheel or something? But yeah, I still do want to scroll it. I need to crank up the DPI on my mouse. Eventually, my question is, will it trigger? It did. That's no good. And then the position is the start position, is it? Yeah. Let's just check that it's not equal to the from. Can I please take? There's a window. I want to take it, please. Thank you. And let's remake my stuff. Actually, no. Yeah, from 2. Boom. If not empty and result, the position doesn't equal from. Oh, no gravity yet. Now it does. I can't jump though. That's interesting. Yeah, because I haven't touched the ground. Still up. 40 it was. That's not what I wanted to do. I failed too successfully. Good, good, nice. And yeah, now it's just good. Okay, and then let's add a if velocity. Actually, we might want to check that after applying gravity. Or after jump, because if you jump, then the velocity will be up, so it will be ignored, which is what I'm going to do here. If velocity or velocity dot y is greater than 0. Is that it? No, it's on 0. It's going up. Minus is up, and we don't want it to be minus, so it's if it is minus, we want to return. Good. Nice. Now we've got to check. Let's say var is hooked, ledged, hanged, hanging. I think hanging is a good verb. It's a good word, but it doesn't bind to ledge. But that's okay. Pause. Is hanging equal true. When you jump is equal false. Let's add a can jump. Honk can jump. Gun was on floor or is hanging. I mean, that would not happen. No, that's okay. Yeah, it's a just pressed. Here we want the is jumping, which is good. Okay. So my point is, if actually if we're hanging, I think we want to hook ourselves to this, to an exact position. And that's where what is it, algebraic data type would be nice to use, but I don't think GTScript has. I am curious, let's Google that. That's something I've enjoyed working with since playing with Helm and stuff. GTScript. Is it algebraic, or am I not saying it right? I'm pretty sure it's ADT. Well, string-based enum is a start, but yeah, it's the enums in Rust or that I forgot how they were called in Elm, but it's basically a multi-state object. For example, a bool is either false or true, and then for example you could have an error, which in Rust you would have like the result of, well, result actually, which is either some data or an error with an error type. So like it carried each type, each state carries some information too. Okay. So I want to use more of that since it's more explicit. What is the different condition state we can have? I'm not reading what's on this. Add string base blah blah blah. Yeah, that's not what I want. But there is matching. What are the examples they give with matching? Here. Crash course for people who are so familiar with Switch. Yeah, yeah, okay. That's not my point. I have not done any for loop state as of yet. Variable pattern, constant pattern. Okay, but I got distracted. What was I trying to do? Gravity. So, oh right, yeah, like we don't just want to cancel gravity, we want to fix it to a position, but jump can still work. Else, but still, elif not is hanging. That's for sure. If we're hanging, we don't apply gravity. Doesn't matter. Actually, velocity should be fixed at 0. Yeah, it should be fixed at 0. This is if it's jumping or if we release the jump. If we release the jump, it does stop jumping, and stop jumping, it says jumping too fast. That makes sense. That's still good. But here, if is hanging, actually maybe just do this. Now we're stepping into some real Garbo code. I could do an else 0, but that feels trash. Why is this complicated? Yeah, let's just do the version. So now we've got a weird wonky thing, which is like, oh right, we're still triggering that, and I think we're gonna want to nudge that further. Oh right, please, please. Oh right, okay, yeah. So float, that's interesting. I guess there's some kind of string here. That's fine. Yay, this is a thing. Oh, it works. That's so weird. I mean, doesn't really work, but it works. Now we just need to get the actual position. And what would that be? Let's click on main. Here. If we go actually, let me hide this. I don't think this changes anything. Here. So this is a thing. Now we go down here. Yeah, but that I don't have a way to set the X though. We might end up using the bounds actually. That would make sense. Or you could just slap a second raycast on the side. I think I'm down for the second raycast. Anyway. So we collide this, and now we want to go. Oh, actually, we can use the raycast result. So let's say it hits here. So we just want to down ourselves by this height, so that we end up like this. And yeah, let's just not touch the X for now. I'm okay with Garbo code. I just wanted to have the feeling of like snap there to be able to do the jump on stairs and stuff. So I'm happy with this. And that's where I wanted my ADT. Like, if it's not hanging, then we don't want any data, so it's just the state of false. But if it's true, I want to add I want to have a offset vector 2 for it. But then what I can do is var hanging offset, hang ledge offset equal vector 2. But then, like, when it's false, that vector 2 is completely useless, and it's actually misleading. Like, only when this is true that this matters. So if I had an ATT, like, when it's false it's nothing, when it's true, well, it wouldn't be false or true, but like not hanging, it's just not hanging. But hanging has a vector 2. Like, I can make probably some states like by inheriting classes, but that's kind of trash. Like, union types in TypeScript would do that too. But yeah, I don't think we have access to this. Is there something I can search for? I don't think so. And I think it's better to give up or to port that to Rust for now. So let's use that Garbo hanging offset. Hang offset equal vector to 0, and then minus, actually I don't know what that position would be. Here. What is this? It's about 18, which makes sense. So this is 2? Probably. So minus 17. and then the other one is positive, but we want, wait, what? Oh, I think I'm going dumb. So we hit that with the ray. Actually, yeah, let me go visualize that. We hit that with the ray, then we want to snap here. Then that means we need the ray's position plus the wait, we set our position to a global position, which is the ray's position minus that. Yeah, minus this to that, and this to that is 18 minus 17. Right, so we just store the ray's position, which is great. Script. Result that position, is it? Minus 17, something like that. And then actually no, it's not a hanging offset then. It's a hanging position. MMM. I can't set the position. Do I want to integrate forces just for that? No, we are in a kinematic body. We should be able to set the position. Garbo code. Garbo code. Velocity equals well, vector to that 0, position equal hang position else. Garbo code. So if we got that else and this is stuff, this is stuff, that means I can get rid of this, and slap all that else. Right. Jumping is still something we want to do, except long jumping is not something we need to care about when we're in ledge. But actually, and then this though we want. So how about that? What? Yo, is that a working ledge? I mean, it doesn't work on the other side, but never mind. But like, okay, this was what just happened? No, it just works. Okay, now I just want to set the sign of the check. Let's do a dumb var x equal if 18 if, and we had the thing here. So minus 18 this, else 18. Ah. Yo. And let's hide the colliders because that's kind of ugly. But it's kind of funny how you spawn there. Now let's make some more colliders because fun. Here. Then can I make it bigger? It's kind of annoying how you make it bigger actually. You need to modify the shape. And it's not even unique. Can I jump that high? Able to jump that high. Actually, what I can do and kind of want to do is, no, that's not another one. This one, make it bigger. Make this. Again, make unique, please. Mesh instance 2. Then I want to add this here. We can even make them like overlap, don't care. Actually, the OCD makes me want to put this one here. Extend the thing. Extend the thing. And what do we do with this one? Like this? Sure. Sure. Doesn't matter. Okay, it's less it's a bit less impressive when I can already do that jump. It works. It's so dumb. And no apparent bugs. So this is done. Did I close it? Just scroll and it change subject. Let me load my to-do list. Basic platforming. Grab ledge. Drop ledge. I can bring this here. So, drop platform Kirby style. That's when you do the down arrow and you jump and you go through the platform. But that actually requires that you have one-way platforms. So one-way platforms. Wall size is a bit much. Plus, I don't think that's something I want to work on. I was especially like looking forward to making that grab ledge, which is so simple yet I like it. It just feels good. I think I say that, but I say nothing actually. But I think Godot has some kind of one-way platform, like one-way colliders, something like that. Well, yeah, it wouldn't have a platform. That's a bit weird. That's a bit very specific. But it has a ray gas, so who knows? Line 2D collision shape. Yeah, it might have a plain collision shape or something. Let me put that all into another node just so I can clean this up. Not this one, actually just those one. There. Then if I hide this here, now actually I can copy one of those still. One way platform. So what kind of collision shape do we have access to? Ray shape 2D? What? That's a what? That's a collision shape? What is a ray shape 2D? Length? What does it collide with? Well, okay, it's like a raycast, but actually, wow. I kind of always visualized collision shapes as a thing you collide with, like this ground is a thing you're going to smash your player into. This platform is going to be something you smash your player's face into, but a ray, it's not something really you're gonna smash your player into, but you're gonna smash the ray into stuff, which is still fair. Yeah, that took me by surprise. Line shape, rectangle shape, segment. Why is there a line in a segment? Can I get some documentation for those? And then here we're in GDSQ. I kind of want to keep that. Ray shape 2D? Yes. Ray shape 2D. What is this? Ray shape for 2D collision. A ray is not really a collision body, yeah. Instead, it tries to separate itself from whatever it touches its far end point. What? But that's okay, that's kind of what I envisioned. Slips on slope. Anyway, that's not important. More importantly, what is a line shape 2D? Line shape for 2D collisions. It works like a 2D plane. It will not allow any physics body to go to the negative side. Not recommended for rigid bodies, and usually not recommended for static bodies either, because it forces checks against it every frame. So what is it good for? What should I use it for? It feels like it's what I want, but and there was the segment. What segment shape? Come on. Don't. I mean, yeah, okay. This one it works. This one is what the line should be, but the line is not what the line should be. I'm confused by line shape 2D. Line shape for 2D collision. It works like a 2D plane and will not allow any physics body to go to the negative side. Not recommended for rigid bodies. Yeah, you don't want your rigid body to be a line shape, that's weird. And usually not recommended for static bodies either, because it forces checks against it every frame. Isn't that normal? Isn't that normal? I'm still confused as to what else. Nah, I think like, yeah, let's just ignore that warning and just do it. And other, what else we have? Okay, so how about that line? Where is our thing? Is that our thing? I think that's our thing. So let's say I hide this. What is this? What? Oh, okay, that's a weird gizmo, which actually makes me want to make a gizmo for that line here and not have an actual line. Speaking of which, well, at least hide it. Here, and we can, yeah, that's the normal basically. Oh, okay, it doesn't have a width. It doesn't have a start and an end. It's just a big plane, which is, that's why it would force every time. So actually we don't see the collision. That's kind of bothering. That's kind of bothersome. So basically, yeah, okay, I get it. It's an infinite plane line thing. So that's not what we want. We want a segment, but one way. But that's interesting, so we can do some kind of def. No, a def line would be with area. No, yeah, we can make a def plane with that. Like make an area 2D with line shape 2D as a collider, and anything that passes into the negative side gets voided, well, triggers the area and then we void it. So there's no like going out of bound on the sides and stuff. But doesn't help. So I mean, I would want it to be collision shape, so I don't want to make a ray cast and see if we pass it or not. So good though, but no. Good one way collide. Sure. What? That's a thing? Enable one-way collision on your shape, duplicate the shape, then rotate. Well, I don't have a question. I'm just surprised that's a thing. I keep losing the editor. So let's say I take a segment because that's basically what we want. Except we could want a rectangle then. Let's start with a segment. Here and here. Let's at least make it 0. So we've got this thing. Can move it. Actually, then let's make it -10. What? Yeah, the gizmos are not updated. Okay. So this should be a regular collider. Yay! Now, does it have a one-way collision? One-way collision margin. The margin used for one-way collision in pixels. A higher value will make the shape thicker and work better for colliders that enter the shape at a high velocity. Oh. Wait. Oh, it added an arrow. That's basically exactly what we want. So let's say I put it up here. Let's say I put back the mesh and make it smaller. 76. Oh, yeah, I'm done. So that's exactly what I want. Oh, it did the thing because it doesn't check the X. So we have our reason to make an X. Ah, that's so nice. I like that it works. It just works. And yeah, so I guess let's test this. If I do this and then I go in remote, one way, collision shape, and I disable it for a second. Seems to be what I want. Okay, so let's do our X stuff first. Please, let me grab the editor. Thank you. So what we want is no. Actually, we might as well test it here this time. Is it lopsided? It looks lopsided, I don't know why. Because I think its head is constant. It's symmetric. So we enter this. Now we want to make a raycast on this side. Like, yeah, maybe like down it 1 pixel and to the side like this. And then we set up this. Okay, makes sense. Double raycast, let's go. Var result side equal blah 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 blah. Do we like the 2? I'm not using, so just slap this. And the from, I'm reusing once here, which makes sense. Actually, I should probably have it from side, which now we're gonna start with 0 anyway. Vector 2 dot uptime. No, I feel like that's unnecessary. So X is 0 and Y is result the position that Y plus, yes, plus 2, I think. 1? Yeah, plus 1, sure. And 2 is probably actually, oh, and yeah, that's a global position, so position that X. So if we reread that, position plus vector 2 that right. And if we reread that, that means yeah, it'd be nice if I had my thing my reverse sign, like pass it the ball and it gives 1 or -1. Right, if actually left if this. No, that's just wrong. What am I typing? This is position.x, yes, and then this is position.y. Well, no, result.y, yes, and I'm double dumb because I was removing that result. This is good. Can I squeeze that a bit more? This is a good from. That's the center of the player, and then R2 is on the Y. It's the same thing. Actually, let's do R4 from side, which is garbage code. Nice. Yeah. Then this is from side dot pocket vector 2 from side. My fridge is grinding some imaginary ice again. The X, no, the Y, we want the same, and the X is result dot position dot x plus if still have no. Plus, wow, it's actually +1, or actually if we hit this here, then our raycast should just hit this, but since we hit something here, we know there's something at least at that very pixel, so we just have to hit that very pixel, but most of the time there'll be a chunk there, which is what we're scanning for, we're hitting for, casting for. So this is not necessary. So we've got a result. Now if result dot empty, this should give us a position. It's supposed to be, it can intersect, like take a only include or something. Look up symbol. No, look up symbol. Please, come on. Intersect, right? From to exclude collision layer, collide with blah, collide with blah. I mean, it's kinda okay if we hit something else and we nudge ourselves that way. The most extreme case of it going wrong would be, can I move this? Let's say the camera stops getting grabbed every time. Actually, this is a good case. If I go here, the raycast will hit this. No, okay, that's not good. That's not what I wanted to show. Let's say I put this here. So if I do this, the raycast will hit this box, but then this raycast will hit. Is that what I mean? This, and for example here, hit this, and then this raycast will hit this box. But then we can nudge this here and it'll get nudged this way, which is actually a good thing. So basically the worst case possible. So yeah, let's not check what we collide with. At some point we'll have to not collide with movable stuff, but doesn't matter. Hello. I can grab ledges, and I'm going to make it grab ledges better. If result not empty, then that's aligned to this, but there. I think we still want the same Y, but no, we're hitting this there, and then we're getting this there. Yeah, we want to mix both basically, like that too. And it would be useful if I this result top dot one result side, something like that. Oh, and we want that to be indented. Now why am I messing up? Where in an if I did put my semicolon. Var equals stuff. Oh, there's still a result here. What? My headphones are dead. I didn't even notice the warning. Normally I hear it and ignore it a bunch of times. And I am back. For listening to the BGM, there's nothing else to listen to. Am I on PC yet? So this should not work? No, it did. So yay. Invalid get index empty on base. Did I mean? I did mean. I thought that would be a variable. Wow, that's very not what I wanted. But at least it's consistent. So it's probably a local global problem. Yeah, that's 0. I'm putting it in local. Is it because here I'm doing some wonk stuff? From side position that X result that should all be global stuff. Still global stuff. Then hang position is global and global. Oh, right, YY. That's great. It's not bad, but that's not what I expected. I don't know what I expected now that I think about it. Did I add an offset on the X? Yes, I did. So basically, plus 17. Yeah, plus 17. Yay! And now the question was... No, what was the question? Yeah, what was my question? Why was I doing this? I mean, it's better. Now it's a fixed place. And if I do it from, I suppose, here, it should... I'm not testing for is it from side. Same thing from here. Top, side, I think that's gonna cause it. That will cause issues. Yay, doesn't work. So that's progress. So that means our raycast never hits anything. Can I put a breakpoint there? So the raycast hit a thing here, and we're getting in there. And then we did another raycast, and that other raycast gives us nothing. But that raycast is the same as the front sizes. Yeah. And the from is positioned at X. Right, yes, yeah, okay, yeah. So this time the raycast is in the player, so we need to ignore the player. Exclude. Doesn't say the type of exclude, but I suppose it's body. So I think we can put here, yeah. Self, or with self in it. We hit the breakpoint, but I think it was working. What? Progress. Progress. Oh. This is what I wanted to dodge. But this one doesn't work. Interesting. So why does it clip so close? Because I'm using the hit on... Wait, no. Let's go here. Yeah, it does. So hanging position, the X is set to resolve that position at X. Are you sure the exclude works? Yes, because the behavior is much different from before. Oh, no, okay, right. Yeah, we don't want to put the player there. We want to put the warp position there. The hang position there. So let me pull out the C now again. Here. We're hitting the raycast there. Here. And now, like, and then it does a raycast there, and then it hits this point here. We don't want to put our player here, we want it to put here. So that means the offset the raycast had, we want to add that to the X. Good. And the offset the raycast had is X. I'm pretty sure. Yes. So plus X. Should be X offset or something, but either it's, yeah, it's minus X. There. And then it gets snapped on X properly, and that X was set like à la pif, so we could put the player a bit closer to it. But this still doesn't work. It might just be too thin, which is not a problem. Like game level design wise, it'd be okay to make those platforms a bit bigger. Except a line is a line. Yes. Ah, yeah, that was the point. We know that a one-way thing works like that, and we could have some special code for hanging on the line. But what about a rectangle? It's a thick rectangle. Can a rectangle be one way? It can. I'm not sure how that works though. What is it, 20? Exactly. So side, well, I can't tell if it works sideways, but I can do what? Huh. It boosts, oh, because I get the double jump. That's not a problem. I could see how someone could do some whole speedrunner strat by double jumping on the one-way platform, and we can grab on it. And it doesn't work from the center, which is what I wanted. Yay! Behavior that works. Wow. Yeah, that offset is thick. But it would make more sense with an animation, which I'm not going to do. Alright, so where is it? One-way platform, plug, drop platform Kirby style. Oh yeah, we did the disable. Right. Escaped. That's good. Attack. If we are to do this, we would set pause on floor to false, and then it would not be hanging either, so it would skip those and do the gravity anyway. So I think that's good. If input that is action, yes, press EY down and down. Then check, I think we can call it drop platform. What is this? Okay, I guess we can get rid of this one. drop platform. And we can do this again. Var resolve equal position dot x. That hurt a lot. Why? I scratched a button directly and it was not pleasant. So player collision shape, yeah, but there's probably a way to get bottom, like, or not. No, the kinematic body probably doesn't have any. Probably. Let's Google it. Not Google it, but let's search it. Pinduck. Get floor normal. Velocity? Oh, that's a thing. I guess for moving platforms and such. Is on floor? Well, yeah, it would need to be on floor anyway. Actually, we can... Though it needs to be on floor, not was on floor, so we can't use the can jump. And that's all we have, which is okay. I'm kind of disappointed that we don't have a bottom though. And that's the bottom was what I was looking for. So position plus, or actually plus, yeah, plus collision shape. That should be constant, but who cares? That, please. Well, then again, X. No, okay. We need vector to that down time. I would like to get the thing shape that extent. Is that 27? Who actually they know? Do they know? Yeah, half extent, so the radius thing. The shape that extends that. Oh, so that should be stored on ready anyway. But also meh. Here. What is this? Here. Rectangle shape. Actually, collision shape. Indeed. Yeah. Shape. And then since we are working with dynamic types, we don't need to check to cast our stuff, and we can just make garbage code that assumes that it is a box. That shape that, okay, yeah, so what I was wondering is rectangle shape. That makes sense. Yes, it is better 2D. With an S? Put an S. That Y. Yep. So this is our from. She might as well. It's starting to get into. From. Actually, we would need to plus vector. Okay, now we're starting to get into, we don't need to multiply that a bunch. It creates too many stuff. Here, minus. So actually, like 5 pixels is pretty good. Minus the and the 2 is from plus vector dot bound times 10. Sure. And then we want our exclude to be this. So what does it not like? Because I'm making an if. Am I making an if? What if? Expected and then indent block after if. What if? 32. Oh, we're still in there. Drop. What I got? Drop. And I add the is on floor. Okay. What do you mean? Ah, yes. And then if result, yeah, if result but empty, and result that collision. Is that it? That they should all have the one-way thing. Here, yeah, that's a collision shape thing. Except it's a collision shape thing. So here, right? This colliding object, and then the shape index of the colliding shape. And it doesn't give us the type that the colliding object should have, but I suppose it will be a static object. Static object 2D. No. Static body 2D. It should have shapes or something. Might inherit it from something else. Collision object. I remember touching a lot of that into Thorn back. But this shape owner owner ID is probably 0 anyway. We have get owners anyway. But also, did I miss something here? Collision layer mask, and of course here, physics stuff. Shape find owner. I mean that would kind of work, but I feel like there's a better version. Oh, except that do we just get the? We might just get the owner actually. Would that be good? Is that the ID that they're talking about? ID. I mean, it's probably 0 anyway. we give explanation, the shape index of the colliding shape. That doesn't match with what we've seen so far. It's different from get meta and is set with shape set data. Variant sets the shape data that defines its shape and size. The data is passed. Okay. Well, we might as well do a breakpoint and check. Oh, come on. I mean, of course, that means it's empty. Yep. What did I do wrong? Position plus nothing plus oh, it's a plus. Yeah, it's -5 because 5 is up, right? So we got a 0 here. We want to add the positive y toward down and then remove 5 toward up. Yeah. Yay. So blah 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 is not what I'm looking for. Collider ID is a big number, which is actually the object ID, which is probably the RID. Yeah, it's global thing. Shape 0. Yeah, let's just do the get owner thing and call it garbage code. So what were we doing it? Oh yeah, we need the collision shape to cancel it, to set it to disable, which I mean, I wanted to just check if it was a one way at first, but now here constant line, constant what? The linear velocity. Nah, I should, yeah, disable it and not assume that it has multiple, it can have multiple shapes. Simple code, just prototype. If, I guess, end result dot collider dot, what was it, get shape. What? That's so close. Why get shape owner one-way collision margin? What? Actually, set one-way collision. Set disabled. That's what I want. What is an owner then? Collision object 2D is the base class of 2D physics objects. It can hold any number of 2D collision shape 2D. Each shape must be assigned a shape owner. The collision object 2D can have any number of shape owners. Shape owners are not node and they do not appear in the editor, but are accessible through code with the shape owner method. I suppose we can assume that it only has one owner. Can we debug that? Am I still debugging that? I'm not. have lost my interest in logging that. So set shape, please give me some tool tip. Would appreciate. Disabled. Except do I need to set it back up the frame later or on the same time? Might just set time next frame. Yeah, we could next frame. And that I don't think it needs to be on physics. So 0 disabled true. Oh, in that action. And then I can make a garbage bar, one way platform equals null, and then here slap a process. Don't care about the delta. What if one way platform is not null? Can I do that? Seems like yes. One way platform. I'm gonna copy paste what I have down there. This. My point was to do one way platform equal result with collider. Platform that pause. I guess is that a thing? It's not too consecutive. Still feel like GDScript would have some kind of is not. What is this video? What was it? Is close but not is. It might just be not is actually. Not casting. No, casting is as. Anyway. Is that not good? Invalid is test. The right operand is at I. It doesn't equal null. What? Alright, yes, here we've got our breakpoint that I forgot to remove. It's not what I expected. Job platform. Basics process. If is on floor and that drop platform, which means it works, but it also doesn't work. I think we need a timer. Player? Yes, it would be player. Da, 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 da. going to 0.1 second. Why is it not by default? Was that not by default? That's very interesting. Oh, okay, no, it goes back to start, okay. But it still calls the done. Right? I think. Now it should be one shot. Just probably like had some code to stop caring about the timer once the timer was gone. That's why I never bothered. Player on platform this. That's what we put in our process. Yay! Well, I've got a button to disable colliders now. Yes, because I never start the timer, dumbass. Here. Draft platform that start, please. There we go. Now that's no good because I don't check if it's a one-way. If yeah, and result dot collider dot get, I forgot. Decision object all the way here. Get one-way collision. Is that one-way collision? No. Get shape, yeah. Why is there an index and an ID? Yes, the only array we get is the array of owners. And there's no get shape. There's a shape count, shape index. No, I guess the ID must be the index. That's kind of weird. Plus, we only have one shape. Like we know our code will only have one shape right now, and if it gets multiple, it's kind of normal that a bug will occur. But the safety is not what I'm looking for right now. When we get shape, and yeah, I could use find owner, but we know it's 0. And result dot shape, I think, was it? Shape index and get shape dot one way collision. Let's triple check that? Here. Ba-ba-ba-ba-da-ba-ba-da. It is not there, is it? Inherits from resource, which is not right, except rectangle doesn't have it either. What is one-way collision? I guess it's the set. And why is there a get one-way collision? Is sure. Great. Amazing. Oh no. Zero. Now if I go here, nothing happens. I can jump normally. Great. I do no code that works. Wait, no, wait. That's not code that works. Why? Here it smudges against the face constantly, but why does this one? No. I could have sworn I did that. Oh, okay, I got it. I need to reproduce it. I think we can go all the way here, please. Now I just need to nail it the first time, otherwise that's gonna be annoying. I think I nailed it. Normal is -1 is up, and if I do play, I realize that no, why? Okay, but to simplify that, my point is I'm pretty sure. Just enough that the player can pass on there. Pretty sure it detects the bottom. Dang it, why? What? Wait, what happened? Okay, I shouldn't be able to... Yeah, I shouldn't be able to touch anything, so any hit that comes in here is worth investigating. There. So why did it come over here? Zota from yes. Crank that up. So are from, of course, here, but these are the same. Do I really have to compare with epsilons? I think I have to compare with epsilons. Because we got here, and from is this, and result up is this. That position. Okay, let's Google compare vectors. No. What? No. Yeah, okay, fair. That's not what. Compare vector equality. Sameness, whatever. Comparing to. No. Essence of linear. Okay, I'm interested by that. Vectors, linear combination, transformation. Okay, it's just generic linear algebra math. I thought it'd be something interesting. I mean, I can get the difference between the two vectors and check the magnitude if it's under something. Equal approx. Yay. If and not. Was it is equal approx? Yes. From. We can just reuse that here. All right. Working code. Ah, so close. Oh, actually, with the coyote time. Ah, so close. I can push it to the limit. Okay, actually, I do want to make this work. I think it's time for a little GIF. Actually, let's check our new task. What time is it? Past 12. And we are on a Friday now. Moving platforms is interesting. I think, yeah, I'll include moving platforms, but wall slides, I'm losing passion for it. I kind of want to do a full-blown Super Meat Boy, the sweet, like, hit the wall and then slide, gain velocity as you slide, and then jump out at any time. That's a really nice one. But I think those are going to be, I'm going to give up on those actually, and then move on to something else. But moving platforms, I'm interested if, like, do I do the bind? I guess I would, otherwise I'd have to deal with physics in general, and that's not my point. And like, I guess you can drop off a platform and, like, if you jump on, if you ground on a platform and it starts moving, you should take that platform's velocity. And if you should you should snap to that platform basically, and then when you jump you unsnap. But as for dropping, if yeah, I guess if you no longer because we're still applying gravity manually. So if we don't have it is on floor anymore, then unsnap from the platform. That makes sense, right? My point is I'm probably not, I don't think I'm going to do that this evening, this morning, and I might not come back on this. Well, no, maybe one day, but like I think I did what I wanted to do, which was especially the ledge grab. So yep, let's pull out the GIF, please. Do I have a game open? Yes. What? Just what? Why? Why? Is it? Oh, I keep doing that. Yeah. Okay, I'm thankful it's just that I didn't make the collider unique. So, take two. I'm not ordering that good. And now if I'm going to make a video because the GIF is going to be chunky, so why I'm missing jumps now that I'm trying to do it. Am I crushing FPS? Of course not. And that's the showcase. Didn't miss too many frames. Save. Platform. Thing. And we're already on video. Save. I'm curious if it will crush some FPS. It does not. How many hours? No, it's a 3-hour stream. It's pretty decent. I thought I was only here. I thought I was only a 30-minute stream. Well, I guess it's still a good point to end the card. So, end card time it is. Music did not stop. That's nice. Music is still. If I hear it, you hear it. And yeah, with that, thank you for being here. Have a nice rest of now, and I'll try to come back within this year, probably. See you. Oh, I should leave it going. The mic might be taking a bunch of noise. Okay, now I'm very wondering. It might have been... Oh. It is taking... Wow. It's catching a lot of noise. What is this? Well, I'm sorry for all the noise. Anyway. Bye-bye.